Good morning, my wonderful third graders. I am Mrs. Thomas, and I will be your science and social studies teacher this year. This week, we're going to be studying science, and each week we will switch back and forth. So this week, we start with our science safety rules. Okay, hopefully you watched the science lab safety rules that video that I posted. If not, I need you to go back and do that after you finish this. Okay, but I'm going to go over your science safety contract. This is your assignment for today. Okay, so we're going to go over it and then I'll show you what to do. So, um, number one says I will follow our classroom rules. Number two says, I will ask questions if I do not understand what to do. Guys, that's always a good thing. If you're confused on something, you need to make sure to ask. And so far, at least my homeroom seems to be really good. I don't know about anybody else because I haven't had any questions from you guys because you haven't been connected to me. Okay. Number three says, I will use all tools and materials as shown carefully and responsibly. Always a good plan because if we're not being responsible and careful, we might drop something that's breakable. And I know you would never mean to break it, but you might. Number four, I will not taste, eat, drink, or breathe in anything used in our science activities and experiments unless I am told to do so. It's never a good idea to eat anything or drink it or taste it unless even your parents tell you it's okay to do that. Okay. Then on number five, it says, I will tell my teacher if there is a problem or if something becomes unsafe to use. So problem might be you don't have some of the materials you need, or if it's unsafe, might be that it broke. Okay. Number six says, I will work hard to keep other students and myself safe from harm. Always a good plan. Okay. And then when you come down here, it says, I agree to follow the rules on the science safety contract. So you will click down here, see where it says signed on your page under assignments, okay, you will click where it says type name here, and you will simply just type your name. You'll turn this in to me. I know right now we're not together, so we aren't able to do any kind of science experiments together, but we will hopefully later in the year get to be together, and then at that time, I need this. So it's just so I have it on record. Um, Also, just remember, this is not what you are not signing this video, so don't get frustrated. When you're done watching, you'll exit out of the video and you will go to, it should pop you back up on that assignments page and you'll see it'll say boys contract or boys click here, girls click here. If you're a boy, you're going to click on the boys, click here, and you'll come up with a contract that has a cute little boy on it. Okay. If you click the one that says girls click here, then it'll come up with a cute little girl. That's the only difference in the two contracts. I just thought it was more fun that way. Okay. If you are a girl and you try to click on the boy, you won't be able to pull it up because I didn't assign it to you. If you are a girl and I'm sorry, a boy and you click on the girl, then you won't be able to pull that up either. Okay, so just make sure that you pay attention to that. If you will sign it once you get there, you'll type in your name and then you'll submit it to me and then I will have it. That'll be your first science grade for the year. Yay! All right, see you later. Bye.